Hello everyone. Today I am with Prashant Doshi. He is a manager at RPSG.
But to brief you about what is the strategy vertical all about is, in strategy you will have to look after multiple things. It's not just relevant to finance or marketing or sales, but it involves multiple things, getting things together, getting insights for decision making.
So, any current trend which you are noticing? Since you are currently in FMCG industry, so I'll ask you about FMCG industry only. Any current trend, any current market condition which the FMCG industry is excited or maybe bearish about, or maybe चिंता में है कि अरे ये क्या हो रहा है, anything like that.
So currently what we've observed is there is much opportunity in the rural sector because there are multiple regional players available, and the main thing for the nationalized players is that they need to cater to the rural sector more, because for them the pricing is not the problem, but for them main thing is grammage. If you're giving more volume or the quantity, they would buy that in any which ways. So if you are established brand, if you have multiple promotions available, multiple things available, that won't matter to them. But for them, the volume of the product is much higher. So that is one thing which all the companies which need to look into.
Okay, so let's move ahead. Let's talk about CCRA and CIRA a bit. Suppose let's take a scenario of mine or yours maybe. Since I am a CA student, I have done my CA, let's say, then I did this CIRA, sorry. Then what do you think will be the job packages range available in the market? Or even for a graduate, let's say you have done MBA Finance from a good university, from a very well-known university. Then you have done CIRA as well in combination with that. What kind of packages will be available to you?
So,
to your credibility.
Yes, they need people who can evaluate company. आज अगर म्यूचुअल फंड में मेरे को एक कंपनी को रखना है, whether to keep that company ongoing or not, someone has to research about the company and see whether this company is having a long term, मतलब वो गेन है या नहीं है रखने के लिए. So what I feel in the industry, so आपका commitment towards client नहीं रहता है, because since you are charging clients consulting firm में, you will have to follow the timeline, the deadlines, and the quality of work you have to follow. But industry में you will have to follow all those things, but वहाँ पे थोड़ा bandwidth रहता है to experiment things. To be honest, if I say again, industry में strategy में freshers को बहुत कम chances से लेंगे. Because
what do you think about the FMCG sector right now? Is it अटक गया है वो एक जगह, या do you think it is facing some kind of recession? Or because the inflation is increasing, right? On the food prices, the inflation is increasing. What do you think? मतलब profit margins पे effect आ रहा है? What is your comment on that?
So FMCG ऐसा industry है ना that मतलब वो stand still पे नहीं आ सकता है, because खाना
consumption का भी
consumption आपका lifestyle, मतलब आज लोग पैसा कभी कमाएंगे ना तभी उसको perfume डियो चाहिए.
So any two metrics which you would like to share? If someone wants to analyze an FMCG company, what two metrics do you think are the core of analyzing a FMCG company?
So strategy में घुसने के लिए is not that कि MBA finance नहीं घुस सकता है, CA नहीं घुस सकता है, even MBA in marketing भी घुस सकता है.